Are you making things harder than they need to be? Is this causing you extra stress? So the most common cause of this is not having a clear understanding of what you're doing. The more you understand something, the more efficient you're going to be at doing it. When you understand something, you aren't going to add in steps that are irrelevant to the task at hand. These extra steps will cause confusion for you and everyone else involved. Related to this is a fear of failure and lack of confidence, ultimately related to your ego. When you aren't proficient in something, you may become nervous and add difficult steps to kind of hide your inadequacies. Maybe you think if it's harder and you make a mistake, you won't look as bad. So you might toss things to the side, become paralyzed with indecisive thinking, causing an even more difficult situation than the original task itself. By taking things one at a time and making sure you understand what you're doing at each step, you're less likely to fall into a trap where you're making things more difficult than they need to be.